Hi, it's Greg at Vanguard Motor Sales. Today we're going to be looking at a 1967 Camaro RS. It's orange, the top goes down, it's got a small block in it, it's a beautiful car. If you'd like to come see it yourself, fly into Detroit Metro Airport, call Tom at 248-974-9513. He'll send one of the guys here at the shop down to the airport, pick you up. It's about a 20-minute ride. We'll bring you up here to our hot rod shop. We got about 30,000 square feet of indoor storage here and over 115 cars for sale. If you're catching us on eBay and you'd like to know the reserve price of any of our cars, including that one, go to our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. The price you see on our website is the exact price of the reserve on eBay. We can end the auction at any time, so just call Tom. He'll end the auction. We'll get that dream in your driveway. You don't want to get in a bidding war with somebody who might just want that car a little bit worse than you. Also, if you've got a car for sale, we'd love to hear from you. So call Tom. We'd love to put your old dream in our driveway. If you know somebody with a car for sale, give us a call. If we end up buying the car, we pay a $200 finder's fee to the person giving us the phone number. So give us a call. Okay, this is just one of our showrooms. This one's 20,000 feet. I've got another 10 right down the street. Over 115 cars here for sale. We have clear and free title to every one of them. We're not a consignment dealer. When you call us, you're talking to the owners of these cars. We can put one of these dreams in your driveway. Just give us a call. Let's go check out this Camaro. So here it is. I told you this thing was gorgeous. I love the orange paint. The white stripes really pop. It's got the houndstooth interior. This is one gorgeous car, guys. If you're catching us on YouTube and you'd like to see pictures of this car, go to our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. We put them up on the lift. We take about 100 pictures of the underside, the wheel wells, in the engine compartment, the interior, the dash, the trunk area, everything you need to see to make a good decision on your muscle car investment. Also, download the 7 deadliest mistakes to buying a muscle car online at classiccarbuyingsecrets.com. So come on up, let's take a look at this thing. All right, out here it is absolutely beautiful. The sun is shining on this orange paint. It's just glistening. The paint job on this car is stellar. All the doors fit great. The gaps look great. Now on these Camaros, this is all normally really ugly through here. Somebody spent the time to make that beautiful. It's a nice straight body job on this thing. The paint's laid on there nice and flat. The door lips look good. The jambs are beautiful. Grab the keys here. Quarter panel's beautiful. Nice flat paint on that deck lid. Absolutely gorgeous job on this car. Get in the trunk here. Take a look in the trunk there. There's a big old CD changer in there. Big old amp over here. We've got a spare tire. It looks like we got the jack in there. Got a new mat. Paint on the bottom side of the deck lid. Rubber's in good shape. Shuts down nice. When you look down the side of the car, see how nice that door fits? And again, gaps are nice. Operates nice. Good looking lips. Shuts nice. Take a look at this gap also. Real sharp. Fits great. As I said earlier, we're not a consignment dealer. We spend the time, we check these things out before we buy them, and then I've got 6 full-time mechanics inside checking them out even further. We pull the brakes apart, we take a look at them, we inspect them, we make sure your headlights are working, your tail lights, turn signals, dash lights, all the important systems on the car. If you have any questions, just call Tom at 248-974-9513. If you have any technical questions about the car that we don't answer in the ad or in the video here, call us. We'll see if we can get the answers for you. Let's check out the interior. Good looking door panel here. Steering wheel's in good shape. Dash pad nice and straight. You can see a bunch of fall here. Got leaves coming in the car. Good looking carpet. The console looks good. The houndstooth is beautiful in this car. Gorgeous car inside and out. Normally this would be the place where we put the top up for you, but it's not a power top. Goes up by hand, real easy, operates great. You can see the pictures of the top in the pictures, so check them out. All right, we're underneath the 67 now. Brand new gas tank, brand new straps. Good looking paint on this rear end. New brake lines here. They've got Monoleafs. Looks like the shocks were replaced. It's a 10 bolt. No posi in this one. Good looking exhaust system. The frame is in great shape. Good looking Flowmaster mufflers. Looks like the U-joints were replaced not too long ago. The floorboards have been undercoated. It looks like it has its original floorboards in it. This is one of the telltale places I always look around the frame right here. This little extra piece of steel here. If this is all nice looking, normally the rest of the frame's in good shape, but we check it out from the front to the back. We've got a real good looking pinch weld here. Again, the floorboards look good. It's an aftermarket Hodgkins center brace here. Moving our way forward. The frame's been taken off and painted. Got a aftermarket cross member for the 700 R4 trans. You guys that don't know, that means it's a 4-speed automatic, so it's an updated trans. Good looking chrome oil pan on this thing. Again, the exhaust system looks great. The exhaust manifolds have got a nice coating on them. The front cross member looks good. The lower control arms have been taken off, all cleaned up. New bushings, new shocks, new springs. Looks like the front disc brakes are a kit that was put on. New backing plates, new ball joints. All set here and ready to go. This Camaro looks awesome underneath. The front frame horns here in good shape, and of course the car does have air conditioning. There's those air conditioning lines going to the condenser up front there. Nice looking paint job on this lower valance. It's beautiful under here. Let's check the wheels and tires. We got 205 60-15s on some good looking rallies, good looking center caps. Trim rings look good. All the rocker moldings look good. Always check up inside the front fenders here as far as you can reach to find out if there's any patchwork or anything going on. Those feel real good inside. The wheel lip moldings look good. The emblems look good. Take a look at that good looking paint from down here. It's always nice to get a new angle on that paint. When they're up on the lift, you can see a lot of things you can't see when they're sitting on the ground. Okay, out back we got a little extra meat. We got two 35 60-15s out back. Same center caps and trim rings. The trim rings there on the wheel wells or the wheel lip moldings look good. Take a look at the paint work down here all the way down. Nice hollow sound there. You know, that's just the quarter, no mud in there. The rear valance looks good. You can tell the bumper's brand new. Even the backup lights look like they're new. It's a beautiful car. All right, let's lower it down and take a look at that small block. All right, we're under the hood here. Look at this. Beautiful intake on this thing, all chromed up. Air conditioning aftermarket, chrome master cylinder, chrome power cylinder. Even the distribution block is chrome. The alternator's chrome. Of course, chrome valve covers. Looks like a Holley sitting on top there. They got a Delco top, old-fashioned battery here. We've got a aluminum radiator. The inner fenders are painted nice. The firewall's got a beautiful coat of paint on it. This thing is ready to go, guys. It's a convertible. It's a 67. It's a Camaro, and it's orange. It's not going to last long here, so call us. Let Tom put this dream in your driveway. All right, take this baby for a ride. Beautiful day today to take a convertible for a ride. It's fall here. It's a little bit cold, but sun's out. Great ride. So we got the tack working here. Got speedo working, aftermarket radio working. Let's see. Wipers working. Of course, like I said, we're gonna have the guys fix up the, make sure all the lights are working on it, turn signals, brake lights, headlights, dash lights. Got the rally pack gauges down here. Console. Dash pad looks great. At Vanguard Motor Sales, we're shipping experts. We can ship this thing anywhere in the world. Just give us a call. 248-974-9513. It's braking nice and straight. Coming to a full stop here with no hands on the wheel. Get around this corner here. We're gonna go through some curves here, see how she handles. Also, go to our webpage at vanguardmotorsales.com. You can see all the other cars we have for sale there. And also on our homepage, you can see there's a big old Facebook button there right in the middle. If you hit that Facebook button, it'll take you right to our Facebook page. It's a great way to keep track of what's going on at Vanguard. The minute we get a car in, we put it on Facebook. So it's a great way to pick up on a deal before anybody else gets to see it. We can put that dream in your driveway before we even get a chance to put it for sale. And there is no better place to buy a muscle car than from the Motor City, and that's where we're at. We're a suburb of the Motor City, Plymouth, Michigan. Our address is 15100 Keel Street. Here's the hot rod shop right here. Got a good looking Chevelle sitting out front. Got a 50 Merc sitting there. Good looking T-Bird. We got 115 cars here for sale. So give us a call and let Vanguard Motor Sales put your dream in your driveway.